Please don't mind my listeners, I just recorded a video. Hey. Hello. Hi. I'm so tired. I'm feeling really so tired. I can't wait for tomorrow. I can't wait for tomorrow. I seriously can't wait for tomorrow. Right. You know what? Let's do it, lads. Boom. Yes. And I didn't have the countdown yet. So yeah, there's always a countdown to when I am out of here. There we go. 86 days to go. I'm seriously dressed up. Like normally you would see me like with a t-shirt and that's it. Welcome to spring, everybody. That's okay. We are here. I'm here. 6 minutes late. I don't care, but yeah, everything is fine. Everything is going great. I was gonna do like a gaming live stream today. I was gonna do, but then the normal schedule plan is that I will do a coding stream today. So I would need to do a coding stream today, essentially. So, guys, we're gonna talk about something serious. That's why the camera is just chatting for now. But around 9:30 or so, I will start coding a bit. It's just a little bit of coding, configurations and things for the plugin itself. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. I said wrong. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. Yay, Parkers. Indeed. I don't know, that audio is out. I don't know, like, okay, here's the thing, like I had a test during in campus using this laptop, so the audio screwed up a bit. There you go. So yeah, I was gonna coding stream configurations and things, and I will try to finish like the Google config and that's it. Yeah, and that's all I'm gonna do for this week. Next week I will do more in terms of like let me see that series I followed. There's that Spigot plugin. Yeah, today we are doing configurations and command arguments. I think that's it. Yeah, 7, 8, 9. Next week I will do the inventories and items. Then we're gonna create a just plugin. Might do entities and that yada. Yeah. But hey, I'm here. Looking okay for me. Yeah. And by the way, I'm gonna create my own like permissions program, like essentials and shit. I will do it. Yeah. But this is for like, cause I wanna develop like a good old plugin that supports. I wanna create a game, and I have an idea of a game already. Yeah, I'm gonna write it down right now. I have an idea for the mini game that I wanna just proceed doing it after all the year one stuff is gone. So around like May, June, after I done with my real life, I think. Yeah, hopefully. And it's gonna be every Monday. So you see me develop like a thing. I might invite some friends. But if I do this, then that's I will invite some friends who are in tests as well. If that's possible, of course. At the end of the day. I want to talk about MCC a bit. Yeah, I want to talk about MCC a bit because I miss MCC so much. There you go. That's count what you have now. You can see. it's copyrighted in a way. I don't know. So MCC. I want, of course, as usual, I'm not gonna have a cam for the live stream, so this is the only time that you can see me. Hello world. Okay, let me just do that. Righty. MCCs might be coming back. Like, okay, there's like some clues here. For example, if I go to, also, please ignore everything here, especially this part. Yeah, I'm using my good old. Oh, you can't see me. Okay, I'm using the good old thing. Good desktop one. The circle starts in 3 minutes. By the way, I can't do it because I'm not in the UK. I'm in Ireland, and to do that, you need a VPN. Yeah. So Noxide tweeted out, "Hello, we are still working on MCC. Extremely hard. Lots of work happening. People should not worry. Utilize your worry so you may channel it to us for strength. The first letter is help us." Help us. Help us. Like, I think the lead developer, Altium, or Daniel, with the E umlaut. Yeah. It's like, you know, like development is unpredictable. And I would agree also, like, it's like very unpredictable in a way. There could be bug fixes and things. I'm experiencing my MCC. Okay, we got a first. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me count who. Let me count. Original Pog. Anime. Okay, we got first Goggy. First Goggy. Tom Maynard. Okay, Ranbu, Carl. I mean, I'm okay, but like, I wanna make fun in a way. Okay, two Ranbus. Okay, one suit, two suit. 4 Ranbu. Okay, so there's too many Ranbu. Too many Ranbus there. If you go to MCC account, the video is 11 seconds, not minutes. 11 seconds. Game 4. But then I think there's a bug for Twitter that, like, it always round up a second, I think. So if we go to the calendar here that I have, yeah, 10th of April, possibly. Cause I don't know. Who knows? It could be the next MCC, and then I'm gonna have every single freaking graphics out there that I worked on. Well, it's just a basic graphics. It's like the dodge spot thing, and then have like several camera moves so that you can just, like, you know, do things that are not, that just not me switching windows all the way. Sorry if encoding is overloaded. I am using the CPU to render this. Okay. Yeah, still working on MCC. MCC will come back. Yeah, and we go on the subreddit. I would say it's the same thing. I think it's the same situation that we have. Right? Yeah, I got 2 calmer. Turbo. March 16 is just a Tuesday, dude. Tomorrow, MCC 17. MCC updates. Yeah, it doesn't have a date set yet in, like, on there, but it could be 10th of March. Not 10th of March, 10th of April. Yeah, because Daniel, yeah, he's the lead developer, and as for development things, it's very uncertain. Do you want a polished or do you want a What is that game? What is that freaking game? Cyberpunk. Yeah. Do you want a cyberpunk or do you want a polished MCC? Yeah. That's the thing that you need to ask yourself, right? And as I am diving into plugin development, that would be essential in a way. Alrighty. That's that. Now I don't have an Irish song. Fucking let's just get some city folk going. There's okay, I don't want people suit. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, what I want to do tomorrow, there are gonna be 2 streams. One at 8 p.m. and one around 10 p.m. The first one is gonna be an hour long, and the second one will be 1 hour and a half long. The 10 p.m. one. So let me get the notepad. Yeah, that's the name of the thing that I want to do. The project I want to do. Yep. So I'm gonna write here. Tomorrow, PogChamp. 8 p.m. I'm gonna do some Duolingo. And since this is St. Patrick's Day, I'm gonna do some Irish. This is the first time ever that I will learn Irish. So yeah, it's a special stream. It's a one-off thing. So it's gonna be man, woman. I would say yeah, man, woman, girl, boy, or in German, Mädchen, Frau, Mann, something like that, I think. And then 10 p.m. So that would last about an hour. That's a special stream, by the way. 9 p.m. Not 9 p.m. 10 p.m. So I take a 1 hour break just to refresh my mind and do some video editing if possible. I think I might not be able to do that. Speaking of which, like after this I need to do like a C# or something like that. I don't know. 10 p.m. I'm gonna do True Time Survival as usual. So True Time Survival. It lasts around the same good old 1 hour and 30 minutes. No, I don't want to save, please. So yeah, that's the schedule for tomorrow. Duolingo, I don't have the graphics, I'm sorry. Duolingo at 1 hour, and then take a 1 hour break, and then at 10 I'm gonna do some True Time Survival for 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's for St. Patrick's Day. Yay! Fuck, so you get a 1 hour extra of me scrambling. And by the way, I will not promise you that there will be 2 hours that I'm gonna upgrade from 1:30 to 2 hours soon. I cannot guarantee you that. Well, I only could guarantee you for Software Inc. So yeah, 2 times over 1:30, Duolingo 1 hour. Righty. So let's take a peek a bit of the good old thing. Yeah, let's just take a peek. Like, what's the freaking Irish? I'm gonna do my first exercises. Okay, I already have an account, so facecam time. Welcome back. By signing into Duolingo, everything's gonna be fine. There, I think I set it up. Righty. Basics, please, cause I don't know thing. Okay. I think there's no Irish lads here. Okay. Go. Is there any noises? Kaylin? Kaylin? What? Cause like when it comes to the only words I know are Gardaí, which is the police. Gardaí, Gada, Gallium, that's Galway. No, I don't want. I don't want to just do Thai. No, no. Irish. There you go. Okay. Kaylin. Go. How do you pronounce it? Okay. Kaylin. Pronunciation. Pronounce 10, 12-second clip. 12-second clip of pronouncing this fierce. Okay, that's men. Bush. Oh my god.
How to pronounce. Kaylin. I have a lovely teacher. Her.
What? That doesn't even help. Irish. I have a lovely and Kaylin. That's how you pronounce it in normal English, dude. We are learning Irish. Kaylin Nakaliam Galway go. So that I want to. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Boy. Bushel. What? Bushel. Bean. Fear. Bushel. I still can't pronounce it. There's what? Bushel Argus Fear. No, I'm not complaining about the language itself. I'm complaining about Duolingo. It's boring, man. Don't care about for. Oh, yeah, this. April coming soon. Let's make it harder. Write this in Irish. Hard exercise, they say. Is ice me. Is me or me? Me? Me. Is me. Is what is bushel me? I think it's unfair. And this one is Michelle me. Oh my god, you gotta give this one. Okay. There you go. Plus learners are 4.2 things. But the things are like I need to speak to an Irish person. I mean I have my housemate, but then we even don't talk about my housemate. I mean I have a lot of Irish friends, so I might consult them, but I'm not doing it as a second language. My first language is Thai, my second language is English, my third language is German, and would always be German. Yeah, you wanna see my portfolio for German? I mean it's been very long. I bought a book as well, but yeah. And I use this for like, understanding probably Big Brother. That's why. Just more. Oh, okay. But the thing is that you need to speak to one person. So. Anywho, you know what you're here for. Science and technology. Davina is some reason trending on in Ireland. Hi Davina, looking forward to. Look at how big the number is, and Davina is trying to say that adoption of women is layer. coding time. I mean, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna say, abductions are not pork. That's the thing that I'm gonna say. Alrighty, so where we left off for plugin development, we are. I'm gonna do a solid review first. Yeah, so let's go to my IntelliJ. Yeah, and check out. I think year 2 I might use IntelliJ more often. So yeah, so when we left off, we don't get to know the commands. So yeah, get command.sec executor. I'm gonna boot up Minecraft as well. Yeah, and then there's that get command. And yeah, I separate into classes, and those classes, you know, they have like some on command thing and check for each players and yada yada yada. Yeah, simple as that. Log to my Minecraft real quick. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's create a new one. So today's week 3 of doing good old Java. So we create a new good old project. Yes, I'm creating a new project. Okay, let's do a spigot plugin. Okay, artifact ID. Group ID is me.doSharePo, and artifact ID is the plugin name, so tutorial 3. Yeah, and that's the go. Tutorial 3. I cover 1.16.5. I don't care about that. So this one is where your repositories directory is gonna be. Okay, let me create a new folder here. Tutorial 3. Okay, should be there. Hopefully should be there. Okay, goodie. Tutorial 3, finish. So this window please, thank you. And I know like some people use Eclipse, but for now though, me big IntelliJ for now. Okay. So we learned, so I think last time we learned about, yeah, commands, right? So let me just get back to speed on that. So it's command executor. Right. Now I forgot what. I'm seriously forgot. You know what? Let's do a boot. Let's do a. I would take note of this. Duolingo, Irish, firm. First lesson was teacher today. So I'm gonna create a. I'm gonna do a slash Sudoku. Yeah, that's the command for Sudoku. And we're gonna say I'm gonna have a command for help me please, and that is gonna heal me with a particle effect of resistance. Yeah, I think that's the one. And then I'm also gonna create these two things: join event, and then quit event, and then yeah, join event, quit event, Sudoku, help me please. Yeah, that's it. That's how I'm gonna detect. Because I think these are events, and then these are the commands. So I think that would be okay for me. That'd be a basic thing that I could do. So I'm gonna refer from. I would need some reference. I will seriously need some reference. I mean I could do it. I could open it in TextPad. Yeah, these are all the Minecraft maps that I have done. Let me just bring it out here. Development, MC plugins, tutorial 2. Test. Oh yeah, I need to edit the freaking XML thing as well, in case needed. Yeah, I have it on my text pad because I think that's one that's yeah, Sanic reverse. Yeah. But I think I got it in a DualShock 4 tutorial too. Okay, let me open up like a reference here. Advanced tutorial 2. Okay. Righty. On enable, I will create 2 new plugins. So I'm gonna just create file, not file, there, source, main, Java. So tutorial 3, I'm gonna create a new freaking package called commands. Yeah, commands, and then I'm gonna create a new class called help me please. No, first I'm gonna do Sudoku, which is game end yourself in a video game, and then a new class called help me please. Yeah, and I'm gonna create an events class as well. Yeah, on top of that, essentially. Yeah. Alrighty, help me please. Got some reference codes here. So just to let you know, when it comes to events, you need to implement your listener onto it. Okay, then you got public void, and then just have like the freaking event object passed in. Event join, player join, player leave, something like that. So I'm gonna I'll actually copy everything. I think. Add event handler. So I'm gonna just say implements listener. Event handler. Just out enter that. And out enter that. It's not listener. Okay. Event handler. And we're gonna create a void method. Public void player join, and we're gonna have an object called player join event. Not that. Why? Oh my, what the fuck? Okay, join event. Okay, I'm gonna have that going. Right? Why do I have a freaking semicolon there? So player, the player who is set is event.getPlayer. That should get the player thing. Then we're gonna have a event dot, and I could just like do players, set players, something like that. When they type the event set join message player dot get display name. And we'll just do shot color as well. Shot color dot, let's just say go. Let's just say yellow. There. I think it's plus player dot get display name joins the server. That's that, and that's the code. Then this here as well, You need to like have the event handler here a lot. So okay, I'm not looking at the command for this one. Not looking at that. Player leave. So that's player quit event. Why do I do that? And then event. Ready, and then just do that. Player event dot get player. The scope is in there. Event dot set quit message. And say set color dot yellow. Player dot get display name leaves the server. Not for good though. Not for good, lol. Okay, that's that. So then I need to go to tutorial tree and I need to set up the freaking listener thing. Where is that? Where is the one on the middle? Okay. So start up. Get server. Get plugin manager. Not plugin command. Numbnuts. Plugin manager. And just register that event. It's like when you are doing HTML. Yeah. Even though what the heck is that? This. Okay. Now we're gonna create some commands. So get command. So we got Sudoku. Set executor. And then new Sudoku. And that will initialize that freaking command there. Yep, import class, thank you. And get command name is help me please dot set executor, and then there you go. That's right. That's the commands. All we need to do now is to set it up. Sudoku first. Sudoku. So when it comes to Sudoku, I need this. Yeah. So I'm gonna just implements command executor. Okay, command executors there. Righty. We're gonna have an override blank thing. Public, not pubic, public boolean. There should be like a fuck it. There. Okay. I'll enter that. Righty. That's set up. If sender is instance of player, yeah, not the system, of course. Why the fuck would you have your system? Okay, implements of that. Then we're gonna get the player thing. New player. Oh, I need to convert to a freaking object. Okay, sender. There you go. And player dot. How many do we have? I'm not gonna have getter. No getter for me. Set health to 0. And then player dot. How do you get the message thing? How do you send message? Can't remember. could just send message and just like, goodbye core world. I have an existential crisis during dinner today, so please don't mind that. Else, system.out of Pendlin. Error, not a player. There you go. There should be that, and always return false. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna implement it too. Help me please. Implements command executor. If I can write it right. If I can write it right. There you go. I'll enter that. Righty. This one. We need to have a... Let me get my documentation up as well. Please don't mind all of these. Let me get my documentation real quick. So... set effect plugin Java. Minecraft set potion effect. Okay, we got a code sample here. Oh, I want to set the freaking thing. Okay, let me see. Hi player. Okay, add bucket. There's a potion effect thing, right? Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. So I got the player. Right. Potion effect. Effect. New potion effect. Potion effect type dot. Where's the resistance? Okay, not invisibility, not increased damage. Not heal, not increased damage. Where's the one that is like resistance? Like invincibility would be the one. Not confusion, that's fucking nausea. Okay. Not health boost, no. Saturation, no, that's not it. Let me just see. Potion effect type. There's slow digging and there's slow falling. Weakness. No, I don't want saturation. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. That is gonna be a little bit of a problem. Wait, I wanna import that real quick. Potion effect type. You know what, I'm gonna give them like 100 million regeneration. Some shite, okay. Yeah, regeneration, it is. Regeneration. And then in. How do you use it again? Is there anything? I mean, like, okay. Potion effect type. Is there like any attribute for potion effect? There's like constructors here. Okay. Potion effect. There you go. Okay, I think I don't need a Spotify. Should I? Should. Yeah. Okay, iteration. So like 30 for 10 seconds. Amplifier 10. There you go. That's the constructor. Should be okay, I think. What is this? Not null. Measure in ticks. Oh, I mean, I did already. Duration is there. That is expected. Where? Oh, there you go. And then player dot send message. You are being healed. You are being helped. That's it, I think. Right? So that should be that. So let's build this one. Okay, could package it up, and let's run the server. It's a private server, so nobody can come and just do shite. Okay, built in 10.332. Let me grab it onto my private server. Let me delete tutorial 2 as well. I don't want that. Run. Let's run it. Of course, open JDK. I could have done using CMD, but it's loading libraries. Let's go. I'm ready. Yeah, shark. Come on. I'm so sleepy. Oh, so fucking sleepy, mate. I think it's ready. It doesn't show up on here. I think. Is it? Is it joining? There. Right. It's just joining. They're like, oh, no, I forgot. Here's that plugin.xml. Yeah, I need to do that. And now my freaking IntelliJ is not doing POG. It's not doing POG. Okay. Come on. Come on, you could do it. You could survive it. Okay, plugin. Well. Commands. So we got Sudoku. Description. game end yourself. Game ends yourself. Then we got help me please. Receive some help from the server gods. There you go. And then I could package it. Should be good. Should be okay. Didn't even show up, dude. It's up to date. It's still building. Honest to God, I'm so sleepy. What is like? I just want to go to sleep. Like, have this shirt that I have and just go to sleep. Yeah. Yeah. I just feel like it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You could compile it. You could package. Copy one. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. Just can't be thankful enough for those developers out there. Well, I'm trying to be one. Dude, I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. Yes, the server's running in the background, but I just want to do /reload and just reload confirm something like that. Come on, let's go. Oh. Okay, one more. Let's go. I'm gonna play some Adventure Communist. It's a game. It's a freaking mob game. While I wait. Okay, building jar. Building shade. So you can shade on others. There you go. Took 2 minutes. Took 2 minutes, guys. Pog? That's not pog for me. Okay, target. Copy. Go to the server. I'm on the other background, by the way. Place the file. Reload. Reload, confirm. Yay. So it should slowly reload the server. It's laggy, I know. It's just that's what you do when you are streaming and you are only using one desktop. Okay, so there should be Sudoku. There you go. That's Sudoku for you. Okay. And there's, let me just Game mode survival. Just get. Yeah, I think you get what I mean. So that, and then slash help me please. Yeah, cause we are not there yet when it comes to potion effects. I think there should be an error here. There should be an error. There's no errors. Yeah, there's no errors. So I fucked up an area. The shovel leaves the server, not for good. Let me delete that replay file. Stop recording servers, please. Yeah, righty. Let's get on to the configurations from Illuminati Studios or freaking Cody Simpson. I don't know. Let's see it. Let's critique them as well. There are two songs. There's a rap song from him, and there's a freaking from him. It's either one of those two songs that he's gonna play for the thing. I think I clicked on number 5 by accident. I love how they have to +1 index here. Yeah. You know, I think you are a recorder. You get what I mean. It's 22.22 minutes long. Dude, mate, I have only into like 10:30, dude. Internet, come on. 10 megabytes download. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be in this. Right. Come on, it shouldn't take. I hate this song so much.
Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another video. So we're going to be moving on with the Spigot stuff. This episode we're going to be going over configuration and the config.yml file, which hopefully you know about if you've messed around with plugins before or used them, anything. So what it is that you can provide a file that goes along with your plugin for the server owner can mess around with, and they can configure certain things within the plugin. Like let's say we have what's called MOTD, which is the player join message, I believe, and you can configure what that message will be every time they join. So instead of it being configured inside the plugin code, like right here, it'll be configured inside this file. So not just the developer can change it, but the server owner can change it. So hopefully you know what that is, because I'm not good at explaining, of course. But anyway, so let's go ahead and make this project, and you'll see more about it. So let's do configuration plugin.
Configuration plugin. Okay.
File, and then you can name the file. So we'll do config.yml, and it has to be called that. Okay. So. Okay.
So yeah, I could do that. So
now that we have this here, we have to register in our on enable, but just know that we're going to be working with not just the main file class here. We're actually going to be doing it, accessing the config within other classes, but that's a little more difficult. Right. So we're going to be doing that later on. So anyway, so how to register this? We could do like this. We do git config dot and then say options dot and then copy defaults. And just like that. And then that what that will do is load the file and copy it every time your plugin loads up, basically. And then this one right here will make sure that it saves. So it's save default config. Make sure you don't do save config, but save default config.
Okay, save default config.
So there we go. Now we have that. And yeah, so we're good to go with that. And so yeah. So to test it out, we're gonna make a new command. So we're gonna do in here, of course, like I said. Okay, so we have our command. We're just gonna return false. Keep things simple.
Right.
Okay, so we're gonna make a command here. We're gonna call it command.get name equals, and then the command will be called print message from config. All right. I know that's long, but just so you understand what's happening. Okay, good. And so once we have that, we can start accessing things.
Okay, I could do this following thing. Let's skip the music here. Right, yeah, let's do some Spotify. So, you know what, I'm gonna create a new command. Let's call it MOTD. Message of the day. Simple as that. And you know what, I'm gonna make this I don't know the potion effect type yet, so later, right? I'm gonna copy the exact thing from that, right? Should do that following. Implements command executor. There you go. That's MOTD for you. So if the sender that, then what's next, Mr. Cody? Follow the leader.
I'm gonna cast player because we're gonna be sending a message to the player. Oops, what the hell? There we go. I was trying to do alt insert, it just wouldn't work. But anyway, so we're gonna cast. Oops.
So
Yeah, pretty much every data type
cast
within
that?
the Java language, I guess. You get. Oops, what the hell? Let's go to our config.yml. So within here, you have a lot of options. You can pretty much do a lot of things. So the main things you can do, you can have a string. You can have pretty much every data type within the Java language, I guess you could say. So we can do a string. So to do a string, you just give it a name first. This is what the access will be. So food, that will be our first one, I guess. And then for a string, you have to have a single quote surrounding the string, and this string will be the data that you're accessing. So inside here will be the string. So let's say, what's a food? Let's do potato.
single code.
So that's the food we'll be accessing. So that's our string. So you can do strings.
Wait,
so you can have
what?
as many of these as you want, just so you can have it on.
Okay, it's
second
it's
line,
another thing.
and
Okay,
then
so
just
let's
like this,
say
basically. Oops.
let's do the good old
Just make sure,
hello
of course,
world.
you give it a unique name every time. So just stuff like that. You can just
So you could do
Okay.
number, you could do
actually no. Name
array.
it a food list, so it's a little more descriptive. So it means you have to have this, of course.
Could you
Actually, I
put
don't
this
think you
like
have
that?
to have this. But yeah. Then you got another one if you want to. Let me say.
So he's essentially like feeding the
And
data.
then we
Okay.
can send him. Let's say we want to send him the food here. So let's send him potato. Okay. So to do that, we would do get config and then get string, because this is a string, of
Get
course, right?
config, get string.
So make sure it's get string that you're doing. So get string, and then string here, and this is where you put the name.
What is
of the
this?
string,
Sunsecute
basically.
what?
So that would be food, like that. Okay. So what this will do is print the value of food, which is, as you know, potato. So that's how that works. Pretty simple, right? So what you should do is, so this might get a little long if you do it like this. So what you should do is have a different variable for each config value. So let's do string food equals, and then this. So get config dot get string
Alright, okay.
food.
Get
Okay.
config dot
So
get
this will make it
string.
shorter. So let me show you why it does, how it makes it shorter. So then we could just do food like that. So then we could just print it out simply. So what we can do is have chat color. Let's do like dark. I don't care what the color is. Just make it cool. And then we can say the food in the
MOTD.
config
How will you link this?
YML is. And then we could have chat color.
I would assume
art
that
code,
you
whatever.
do this following
And
thing.
then we could
There's
have the
tutorial
food here.
3.
There we go. So what this does is take this food
There.
value, which is the config, food, and then prints out like that. So we'll see how that works. Let's go into our plugin.yml and register this command. So to do that, we gotta do commands, of course.
Wait, just
Then what's it called? What's the command called? Print message from config. So I'll just copy it.
that's a resource bundling. No.
So to do that, I mean.
Okay,
just
I
to, put stuff in there,
okay,
we
to
need
be
have
fair,
some
I did the
food, of
config
course.
dot YML already.
Okay.
Right.
Start by accessing these. So So what this will do is print the value of food, which is
Okay, I
STL
printed a
potato.
value.
So that's how that works.
The value
Pretty
for me is
simple, right?
MOTD.
So
Okay.
what you should do is, so this might get a little long if you do it like this. So what you should do is have a different variable for each wait.
Yeah, you could do
So you just
variables.
enter
That's
this
fine
command.
for me.
So to do that, we gotta do commands, of course.
Okay, of course, plug in.
Then what's it called? What's the command called? Print message
Description.
from config.
Prints
copy it.
the MOTD.
Help configuration plugin. So print this is really powerful because now your plugins are very configurable. String here, and this is where you put the name of the string basically.
How
So
the
that would be
fuck
food,
would you?
like that. Okay. So what this will do is print the value
Okay.
of food, which is as
Cannot
you know,
resolve.
potato. So that's
What
how that
the?
works. Pretty simple, right?
So quick
So
fix.
what you should do is, so this might get a little long if you do it like this. So what you should do is have a different variable for each
Oh, I think
config
he
value.
might do
Put
like
loaded on there, and that's really cool. Reach shark
for different classes.
Then we give the path, which is boolean. That's what it was called, right? So
Okay,
now
get the boolean. Okay, that's
and that's pretty cool. So yeah, so we can.
so you can do that.
And then get, and then you have to put the index. So this basically works like an array. So it's 0 based. So the index of this would be 2, of course, because the way it works. So now third item is set to shrimp.
Right.
So once we load up inside the server. Okay, so I reloaded, and let's see. Arguments. We can do like set config. Not
Okay.
creative, so I'm gonna call it that. And no interface expected here, so it's supposed to be implement, implement food, right? So let's say we want to make the food variable like we did like the string food equals new and then give config. We can't do get
Oh, we can do get config on there.
config anymore because we're not inside the main class.
Okay,
So
we
to do
are
that,
not
we
inside
have to
main
create
class. That's fine.
we
Okay.
have to create and then configuration plugin again.
Also, you need to have that freaking thing. Plugin motd.get plugin. Oh, I think it's like tutorial free. Tutorial free dot get plugin. Should be tutorial free.
Class. So that's a little extensive, but it's pretty simple. Just copy and paste it into a notepad if you need it for later on, because you probably
Okay.
will, of course, if you're going to be doing this. So if you can't remember, just copy it and paste it. So anyway, so
Notepad. I think that's not safe for me. Okay, facecam time. Hello world. Yeah, hello world. There. Log. It's in the log file that I have.
so,
Okay.
let's see, we have an error here. That's strange. So we'll do git config. We do plugin
So I can do that.
git config now. So if we want to access it, we can do plugin.git config. So that works now. So git config dot get string, and then we have food. So now we can access it like we did before. So we'll send the player message of food, which is just, you know, potato. Or no, we set it to shrimp now, I think.
Yeah, plugin dot.
So anyway, we have to register this command, of course. No, we have to register inside the main method.
There you
also.
go. Should be fine.
So we'll
Should be
do
good. Everything is
git,
alright. Let's build this friggin' thing. I know there's an update. I will update this at the end of the live stream. I think I might.
Git command.
You know what I want to do only for configurations.
I guess it is.
I'm so sorry. I'm so
So git
tired today.
command,
I'm so
explode.
fucking tired today. Like, dude. I know when I sleep.
dot
I'm gonna like after this. I'm gonna take a shower and just.
the new and then class name, so explode. There we go. So that's
Wait,
how you
there
do
we
that.
go
We
to
gotta
sleep.
register the command. So now we have to register inside the plugin.yml, of course. So explode description.
And it's gonna be third. Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Okay, I'll meet inside the plugin. So
It
we'll see
matters
this
if you
command
want
works.
to have
So if
like
we access
the
this
help
correctly,
thing.
and it prints out shrimp, then we know we did it right. Store inside the plugin server, of course. So let's try and run this new command that we made. So explode, and then we get shark. I guess it wasn't shrimp. But anyway, so we got shark, and
He's just like,
so
oh,
anyway, I hope
shark.
you enjoyed this little
enjoyed
tutorial.
this
Hope it wasn't
tutorial.
too confusing. If you liked it, leave a like. Subscribe if you want to see more.
Like,
Just
leave a
comment
like.
if you need any help. I'll be
Same
glad
good
to
old
help you.
shit.
So I'm sure there's gonna be questions. There's a Discord in the description you can check out, so you can join and hang.
There's Discord. You can join. You can hang out. You can do whatever. Yeah, I think it's cold with me. Right. Let me just pause this. I might not do arguments today. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I need to go to sleep. I need sleep fast. Development. But then I just leave it too. Okay. Right, the place to fall. We got hop onto the testing server. Okay. Do game mode creative. Then just say reload. Reload confirm. Okay. That's reload complete for you. So CMOTD MOTD MOTD MOTD. Okay, I fucked up. Okay, let's see. Did I do this? Is hello world. It is hello world. String is there. So that's the path, right? I got a plugin here, so I got the thing from tutorial tree. So it should be there. Did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong? Oh, what? I'm sorry, apologies for the thing again. Okay, I got that sorted out, okay.
Git config now. So if we want to access it, we can do plugin.gitconfig, so that works now. So
right.
gitconfig.getString, and then we have food. So now we can access it like we did before.
I did this already. I have the thing already. Any errors though? Like I run MOTD? No, there's no errors. And I should die as well. So I think it is. Oh, I think I know the problem. If I can access this. If it stops lagging. I think I know the issue. I didn't put it on the free thing. It's so laggy. Like the mic. My freaking distinction. Yeah, I didn't set the execute here. That's why. Okay, come on. MOTD. And dot set executor. New. Why do I have double records there? New. MOTD. There. Out enter. I could do a wildcard there already. Yeah, you know what? Let's do a wildcard. Cause I'm gonna implement the shit out of it. Okay. Okay. Now I could package this and everything should be fine. Hope so. Hope so. Yeah, just hope, pray for it. Yeah, I might not be able to do it. So meanwhile, I'm gonna update this thing here. So session, so that you can keep track of what I'm doing. Right, so config.yml .get config, and then it is get data type. So we insert that data type there. Yeah, and then if individual class import create plugin object first. Right, okay. Look at that, spikes on spikes. So essentially, when you do a command, you can get the config, so I mean you can custom your values. So I could do something like round timer, something like that, and let it execute every 60 seconds, something like that, and then you need to implement the date time method again, and that's a whole another story. Yeah, there will be a full-on development stream on during May. Yeah, without me looking at tutorials and just documentation as well. But I'm gonna say this, right, that the project thing, I will stream, but I'll also work on in my free time as well. So I'm just, you know, like I think there was time like I was thinking of doing this live, like coding everything live, but it would take months because I have only 4 times to work on this. Yeah, and so I'll have some off time. I could gather my friends to test it, play test it, and just, you know, get on with it. And I think that's gonna be part of my portfolio. Yeah, but you're gonna see like some major things, like for example like running a full event, something like that, like a full-on event, bug fixing, and yada yada. Yeah, so that is the thing that I want to do essentially for the full-on project. And it's a one-man project as well, unfortunately. Alrighty, reload time. Reload confirm. Okay, let's see here. MOTD. Hello world, there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. And then I could customly set like time, 60 seconds, 1 minute, whatever, depends. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave with you there. Next time, I would indeed do command arguments. I'm gonna settle things one by one. Yeah, I am so tired. Tomorrow, as usual, at 8 PM I'm gonna learn some Irish, and then 10 PM I will just do the good old Minecraft Took-Time Survival at 10 PM. And then on Friday, Silver Inc. at 8:30. Yeah, just move around things a bit. Bye lads. I am done. I'm seriously done. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I want to complete some tasks and get on with it. And tomorrow's it's technically a holiday for me. Yeah. Anyways. If you could pause the music you pursued. Thank you. If you could pause the music, thank you. Okay. Scuff stream. It's very scuff. But hey, that's all you can do. I'll go get and take a shower and do things now. Bye bye. Hey, bye bye. There's no raid today. Yay, no raid. Yeah, thank you for 32 followers. Let me shout people out real quick. Yeah, it's time to shout out some people. That's me looking for a task. Okay, shout out time. Cause like I think I advertised my freaking Twitch channel on my freaking. I advertised it on freaking study session that I did earlier yesterday. So yeah. But thank you to all my friends who support me. You know, we know each other for like face to face. But hey, everything goes. We are loading your activity. We are still loading. 10 meg internet PogChamp. Yeah, that's why I hate. That's why I want to move out though. Yay. Not only the face cam. To just end this off. If it's there, okay. King Trevor, Miker. So I'm gonna say their username. King Trev _5 Maker B. Golden Skull 27 X Asimov. Thank you so much for your follows. Yeah, and if we reach, I didn't have it on here. If we reach 50 followers, then do a 6-hour live stream. So it could be from 6 to 12, 8 to 2, something like that. But we'll figure out anyway. I'm done. I'll see you guys